The larynx is supplied by the vagus nerve, mainly two branches, superior laryngeal nerve and the recurrent laryngeal nerve. Superior laryngeal nerve divided into the external branch and internal branch. Internal branch supply mainly sensory innervation of the larynx above the vocal fold, and recurrent laryngeal nerve supply all muscle of the larynx except the cricothyroid, which is supplied by the external branch of the superior laryngeal nerve, and below the vocal fold the sensory innervation by the recurrent laryngeal nerve. The laryngeal nerves can form a great variety of anastomosis. These various connection between the internal laryngeal nerve, external branch of superior laryngeal nerve and the recurrent laryngeal nerve has been investigated by many times. First scientist, that was Claudius Galen, was the first to describe the communication between the internal branch of superior laryngeal nerve and the recurrent laryngeal nerve. This anastomosis is called Galen's anastomosis, and it is a direct communication between the posterior branches of the internal branch of superior laryngeal nerve and the recurrent laryngeal nerve. It may occur as single trunk, double trunk, or it may form a plexus. So this is the Galen anastomosis between the internal laryngeal nerve and the recurrent laryngeal nerve. Other communications are arytenoid plexus between recurrent and internal laryngeal nerve, cricoid communication between the two branches of the recurrent laryngeal nerves, the thyroid arytenoid communication also between the internal and recurrent laryngeal nerve, human communicating branches between external and recurrent laryngeal nerve. The communication is another communication between the internal and external branches, and communication between the sympathetic and recurrent. So these are the various anastomosis. The importance of these anastomosis is when any nerve is damaged, there will be re-innervation. So during thyroidectomy, if any branch is de-innervated or injured, there is anastomosis after 1 or 2 months is there. So there may be chances of recovery all function of the muscles which is supplied by these nerve because of this anastomosis.